Amazing trading method here, using TradingView's simple trading indicator. We only use one line to make profitable trades on 1-minute trading. We have used the 1-minute time frame. Let's search for this indicator, the MAVI-LIN-W indicator. Many traders have already used this indicator. What does this indicator do? Well, it is best used for swing trading and works great for trendy markets. It also works excellently for scalping, as we trade with settings that are best for short-term trading. Let's now apply its settings intended for our trading method. We will adjust the first moving average to a length of 5, and then the second moving average to 8. These settings have different characteristics based on the pair you trade. I prefer to use this on Forex market pairs, as this may result into its best with its smart data charts. You can show the secondary line to see when the trend line will change its colors, but we will hide it and leave some settings and styles to their default values. Our trading method will be as follows. We observe our main indicator line shifting its color from blue to red. When the current price is at the level of our indicator, this is the best opportunity to trade for a short position. Let's set our stop loss at its previous average price, or according to your preference. The take profit is set at a 250 ratio. Having this position allows for a good early catch-up for profitable trades. We take over that trade and retain good results. That is the safest way to make a minimal return. Let's try to double our risk-reward ratio to 4, hoping that it would align with this trading method, as long as the colored line remains red. This is a good way to conserve great results. You can take profit whenever the candle bar crosses the main indicator line. Amazing result. Let's continue to trade, and don't forget to follow us to get free trading strategies and take advantage of using TradingView in our trading videos.